Hey everyone. Today I'm reviewing the portable wireless CarPlay car stereo with a 7-inch HD touchscreen. If your car doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, this device might be the perfect upgrade. Let's break down its features, the pros, the cons, and whether it's worth your money. 7-inch HD touchscreen. A bright, sharp display that stays visible day or night. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Connect your phone wirelessly to access messages, maps, music, calls, and voice assistants. Backup camera included. It comes with a rear camera for safer parking and reversing. Mirror link and voice control. Mirror your entire phone display and use voice commands for hands-free control. Multiple audio outputs, AUX, FM, and Bluetooth. No matter what car you drive, you can pipe audio through Bluetooth, AUX, or the built-in FM transmitter. Universally compatible. Works in literally any vehicle, old or new. Fast, simple installation. Mount it, plug it in, connect your phone, done in about 5 minutes. Great navigation experience. Google Maps, Apple Maps, and Waze run smoothly and look great on the HD screen. FM audio varies by car. Some vehicles may experience light static depending on radio signal strength. Backup camera requires wiring. Even though the screen is wireless, the rear camera installation isn't. If you want a super affordable way to add Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to any car, this device is definitely worth checking out. Here's the link. If you liked this review, hit the like button, subscribe for more car tech videos, and drop any questions in the comments.